Are you looking for the best camera for YouTube? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Logitech C922x ProStream 1080p HD web camera. If you're looking to live stream, you don't need to pay a fortune to get the level of quality you require. The C922x is built with pros in mind, and it delivers buttery smooth 1080p resolution that makes this camera one of the best models for gamers who want an affordable and low-hassle alternative to a more traditional camera. It even offers smooth compatibility with most major operating systems and the latest generation of consoles. When you invest in this headset, you don't need to worry about your audio recording capabilities either. The dual microphone system provides a stereo experience for your viewers and lets you focus on the video you're trying to make rather than having to adjust a boom mic. This camera even comes with automatic light correction to further reduce the need for active involvement in the recording process. At number 2. Mevo Plus Live Event Camera. You don't need to be tethered to your chair to make a live stream video. The Mevo Plus takes many of the advantages that come from a traditional webcam and converts them into a highly portable model that you can take with you on all of your adventures. This vlogging camera is only 3 inches tall, perfectly capable of fitting in your hand, and equipped with both a micro USB charging port and a rechargeable battery. Just because convenience was a top priority with this camera doesn't mean that you can't capture some great video with it. You can record 4K video and live stream at up to 1080p Full HD resolution. This camera is designed to easily stream the videos you make to some of the most common streaming platforms, and it can accomplish that over either Wi-Fi or LTE. You can even control it remotely with your phone. At number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro has been so effective at their job that their name has become essentially synonymous with action cameras, and the Hero 9 Black is easily one of the best cameras in their collection. If you're a more adventurous YouTuber, you can count on this camera for vlogging to follow you just about anywhere thanks to the very compact size, highly durable build quality, and waterproof housing. But regardless of where you go, you can expect the video quality to be simply great. This camera can record in 4K at 60 frames per second or in 5K at 30 frames per second and comes equipped with a 20-megapixel sensor that works really well when paired with the time-lapse photography mode. Best of all, this camera can be entirely operated with your voice, so you can focus your attention on your presentation rather than operating a camera. It also supports 1080p Full HD live streaming so you can get your fans more invested. At number 4. Canon PowerShot Digital Camera G7X Mark III. Shoot cameras are all the rage right now. They offer most of the features that make a DSLR great while being significantly more lightweight and affordable. If you're looking to provide a professional look to your vlogs, a shoot model is one of the best cameras you can get. If you want a shoot model, the PowerShot G7X is one of the best options available. The 3.0-inch LCD screen can rotate significantly, allowing you to shoot selfie videos without rolling blind. The 4K Ultra HD Max resolution is suitable even for the highest standards, and the Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to upload your new videos and share them with your fans as soon as possible. The wide dynamic range, meanwhile, ensures a deeper and richer color gamut regardless of what resolution you want to capture videos in. At number 5. Sony Cybershot RX107 Compact Digital Camera. As another shoot camera, the Cybershot RX100 is a bit more expensive than the Canon PowerShot, but you get some nice upgrades for your extra money. This model includes a full-inch sensor for more control over brightness in more dimly lit environments, and this model also comes with a clear and bright 3-inch display so you can more accurately direct what you make as you make it. This camera comes with an impressive Zeiss brand lens, a choice that helps mitigate the lack of exchangeable lenses thanks to some of the best zoom range available in a shoot. But the best selling point here may be the size. This is still one of the most compact cameras on the market, And that makes it one of the best choices for YouTube personalities who like to be able to capture footage spontaneously and on the go. At number 6. Panasonic Lumix GH5 4K Mirrorless Camera. Looking to take the step from a point-and-shoot camera into something more serious? The Panasonic Lumix may be pricey, but it's also a perfect gateway camera that's accessible with new users while still including a wealth of features that will continue to be of value to you as you develop your skills. The big selling point here is the ability for this camera to shoot in 4K video, but as a mirrorless camera, the ability to change out the lens gives it a distinct advantage over point-and-shoot cameras. In a decision tailor-made for YouTube personalities, Panasonic has included both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities so that you can upload your videos more conveniently and even operate your camera remotely by using your phone. The inclusion of some solid image stabilization will also keep your videos looking great even when you're shooting in environments that aren't ideal. At number 7. GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Looking to share action videos with your followers but finding the Hero 9 a little out of your price range? The Hero 7 offers GoPro's quality technology and engineering at a fraction of the price. With a price significantly lower than the Hero 7, this is one of the most cost-effective models available, but it can still manage to record 4K videos at a smooth 60 frames per second, and it offers a very expansive field of view. You can even do some editing within the camera. Video trimming allows you to splice together some compelling and professional-looking videos for your followers, and the presence of both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi provides you with the ability to control this camera with your phone and also upload your videos to the internet far more easily. And if you like stills, the CMOS sensor packs in a decent 12 megapixels.